Good morning to everybody out there in YouTube loving land that loves hummingbirds. It's about 6:15 a.m. Central Standard Time in Prattville, Alabama, which is really close to Montgomery, Alabama. And excuse the photography, trying to get my phone to cooperate. Quite a few of them out this morning, hitting the different feeders. This is the most used one at the moment. Sun's just came up. They're waking up, getting their first feed of the day. One on the end here is the one that they hit the most. I'm gonna have to get up and refill feeders. Feeding them about twice a day now. That's the old man doing stuff down here in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama, just watching the hummingbirds drinking coffee. A little cloudy down here today, a little cooler. Might get a little rain. And maybe another month and a half of hummingbirds before it gets cold. We'll see. Everybody take care. Get out and have a cup of coffee in the morning and enjoy the morning. Be nice to somebody if you can. We're out of here. Tinker, say goodbye.